Hi guys, I'm Barbara Palvin and I'm getting ready for the Vanity Fair Oscar Party with my favorite makeup artist, Tim, and the most beautiful makeup by George Armani. Tonight, I wanted to go for a little like an old Hollywood glam. I'm actually pretty nervous because this is the first time I'm attending this party and I've been looking at the carpet. I was watching it on TV so far and everyone looks great. We're trying to bring back the colors what I have on my outfit, which you're gonna see in a second. So that's why the lip is a little pink and then I got a little blue on my eyelids. But we don't want to do a lot of makeup because my outfit is a lot and very sparkly. Obviously I picked my outfit and then we work from there. We gave ideas. We're like, this would be cool, and then I say this, and then at the end we compromise. I think at the end it's all teamwork. It's all about teamwork, right?
That's true. We usually win though.
All right, let's go.
Ready to roll.
I think it's ready to get dressed. Give me a second. Well, as you see, I'm wearing a very sparkly suit. And the reason is that I'm going to an after party. So I didn't want to wear a gown and not being able to enjoy the party. So this is always a comfortable choice, but also it's super elegant, very old Hollywood style. I really love the details on the suit. I love the pink and the green, blue, like my lip has the pink color and my eyes got the blue color. And yeah, it's pretty heavy, by the way. That was a little workout for me. So I can't wait to get on the carpet and get a little flash on it and then put the picture in a totally different mood. Ta-da! This is it. I'm pretty happy with the final look, I have to say, but a little nervous about my hair because my hairstylist left like 3 hours ago. So it's been sitting like this and it's, you know, I naturally don't have short hair. So it's all pinned up and curled up. Hopefully it stays like this until I get to the carpet. And after that, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna dance the night away. Thank you for watching. Now, I'm late. So bye.